Hi guys, welcome to this machine. It's if you've been watching the videos before this one, you'll see that I've tested out a switch, just a move from one machine to another machine, and it just booted fine in ArcoLinux B Hyperland. But now we've done a clean install, and let's look around. First of all, I like to have a beautiful wallpaper. Thank you very much. Provide me with a wallpaper. Thank you. Now I'd like to go to some technical things. So I have a look at some technical stuff, and immediately you see that that's on Linux kernel 6.2.8. so that's the latest thing. Look at the date, we're almost end of March, beginning of April. Watch out for the prank tomorrow. And you'll see that it's having an AMD Ryzen, so a CPU 3800X Ryzen 7. And the GPU is a brother of the one that I have on the ISO build, an RTX 2070, but then the super, right? Memory 32 GB, and we're running the NVIDIA TKMS. That's important. The rest is that we have an NVMe on this motherboard, and that's being used, 1 TB. And yes, we do lose a lot, but yes, that's life. And what else? Sudo ingc -b tells you a little bit more. That we have an MSI, right? MSI B450 TOMAHAWK MAX. Probably you can Google with that number better than with the name. And it's from 2019, so it's getting older and it's getting replaced with something else. 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 3800 is running things, and we have here again the reference to the NVIDIA graphical card, and now you know what reference we're running on. We're running on NVIDIA, but that's the number today. For the rest, a Realtek here and a 1 TB NVMe. We've known, well, I've done some study already. I wanted to know what company is providing this NVMe. So type in probe and then click on this link, and then you know, right? Then you know. Then you do Control F, NVMe, and then you see Samsung Electronics, and it's this one of those numbers, right? One of those numbers, or maybe this is the number of the thing, I don't know. But I know at least it's a Samsung NVMe that's running this, and that's what I wanted to know as the last bit of hardware, and all the rest is Realtek and all these things. Choices. I'll put the link beneath. So sometimes it's also interesting to have a look at the package list. Control Find NVIDIA. So you see here, those are the things that are making it work, basically. So if you share with us a link like this, then we can analyze what did you do. And let's have a look again. Remember XF86 video, right? XF86 video. Yes, I typed it correctly, I think. I don't know. Let's just scroll through it then. XF86. Those are here, and that's it. There are no video drivers anymore. It's just the default that we're using, and that seems to work just fine. So there you are, another installation on a system that I've never installed ArcoLinux on. That's always fun, certainly on these ultra wide things, right? This is super ultra wide. Print screen, save. Now let's do an Alt-N again to have another wallpaper. No, not that one. Give me something else, right? Give me something else. Let's see if it is all working. It is working. Sci-fi, give me a sci-fi one, a space one, a minimal one, an abstract one, a simple one. Do we have even internet? Yes, we do. But variety did not kick in, that's clear. Now if variety doesn't kick in, right, quit. Yeah, simple as that. Quit the thing and then reload the thing. What do you know, right? Alt-N. That's not my wallpaper. Fixed. That's not my wallpaper. Fixed. So this is coming from Variety, actually from Wallhaven, because we typed var in the beginning. Nice one. Gonna keep this one. Okay. So I made a screenshot. Why did I do that? Pictures, right mouse click, properties, image, 2560 on 1080 pixels is what I have. You will say, Eric, you could have gone to, where is the display? Here he is. So I wonder what it will do, YouTube, with this resolution, but I'll upload it nevertheless and we'll see. All right, enjoy.